Thank you for your interest in joining the hottest entrepreneurial mastermind the business world has ever seen. We simply call it Splash Mastermind. These specific mastermind sessions are focused solely around experienced entrepreneurs who have achieved success in their businesses and are ready to network with other successful entrepreneurs in pursuit of scaling their business exponentially. So, why do we call it Splash Mastermind? I'm glad you asked. This mastermind is unlike any other. We not only provide our mastermind attendees both an amazing and unforgettable location to network and learn from each other, but also an experience that parallels no other masterminds of its kind. Splash Mastermind is a mixture of both the traditional mastermind model and sheer entertainment. What type of entertainment? At the end of each day's mastermind sessions, you'll have the freedom to hang out and explore and enjoy our $2.5 million Beverly Hills mansion overlooking beautiful Los Angeles. Worked up an appetite? No problem. Enjoy a fulfilling meal courtesy of our in-house chef. Ready for a breath of fresh air? No problem. Head out back to our exclusive lounge area, where you will be greeted and catered to by 10 of our amazingly beautiful splash dolls. Allow them to serve you any drink that you desire from our fabulous open bar. While waiting for your drink, allow one of our splash dolls to entice you into firing up one of the world's finest Cuban cigars. Still a little tense from all of that knowledge and great value that you received during the mastermind sessions? No problem. We've got that covered too. Kick back and enjoy a mind-blowing massage from one of our expert massage therapists. Are things beginning to heat up a bit? No problem, join our beautiful splash dolls in our refreshing in-ground pool and jacuzzi. It is for these reasons that we titled this amazing event, Splash Mastermind. A quick recap of this amazing agenda. Awesome value shared by other credible and highly successful entrepreneurs just like yourself. The opportunity to network and socialize with entrepreneurs all across the globe, under the same roof. You'll become a part of an exclusive club of entrepreneurs that are there to help each other become more successful daily. While on site, enjoy hours of great mastermind sessions, delicious food, great music, an open bar, Cuban cigars, relaxing massages, and of course, our featured guests, the sexy splash dolls. This is definitely an event that no young entrepreneur should miss. An event that will change the face of your business, and one that you will most likely never forget. But if for some crazy reason all of this isn't enough, we have an exclusive bonus set aside only for entrepreneurs that attend the mastermind that is guaranteed to blow you away. All attendees of the Splash Mastermind will join us in beautiful Las Vegas for the Influencers of Social Media Conference. The biggest conference dedicated to bringing social media influencers, brands, and business owners together. This is a $650 per seat conference, and you'll have complete access 100% free of charge. Simply click the button below for more details surrounding this first-of-a-kind, amazing conference. If that's not enough to fire you up, I'll at this moment, with all due respect, ask you to close out this site as I do not wish to waste any more of your time. However, if you are ready to take your business to the next level, RSVP now, and we will contact you the moment we open the doors to Splash Mastermind. On behalf of all of us here, we thank you for your time and we look forward to seeing you in Los Angeles. Continued success.